Hey you guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel, and if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today I have come up with a very short, casual video where I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a winter haul which I did a few days ago, where I'm going to show you guys some of the products which I have picked up very recently for the winter, which is just coming and knocking at our doors. And all these products are going to be drugstore and very common brands, very big and very used to brands which we can get from any local stores, from online stores, anywhere. So recently I picked up these products and I thought, like, why not I share them with you, because these are the products I just swear by. So I'm just going to start on with my skincare part. So from the skincare part, the very first product which I have picked up is going to be my Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer, which is this one. This is like a 300 ml bottle. As you can see from here, this is a 300 ml bottle, and this is quite a big bottle. I have never picked up anything beyond 200 ml, but this time I thought, like, let's try this one. So yeah, I love the smell of this one, and this is quite soft rather if you compare it with the dark blue one. So yeah, I love using this, and I just use this for this video only. And if you want to check out this particular makeup look video, then I have already given the link over here and into the description box, so if you want to check it out, you definitely can. So the product, as we all know, is very creamy. It's not thick, it's very creamy, as the name suggests. It's a soft moisturizer. Taking some onto my finger, as you can see, I'm just going to apply it onto my hand. I'm just going to show you how it applies. So it applies very soft. I know, like, all of us are very familiar with the Nivea Soft one, and a lot of us really love using this one. So it blends into the skin immensely. This is a very soft moisturizer, and I just love using this one. So this was the first one from Nivea. It's not yet over. So the next one is this one, the Nivea Cream Original, which is this one. This is again the 200 ml bottle, and this, I haven't opened the seal yet, and let me open it. Is how it looks like. It is thicker than the Nivea Soft one, and that's the reason, like, there are two, like, one is soft and one is the original cream one. I love using both, but the thicker one is a bit thicker, and I apply, like, the thicker one at the night time and the soft one at the daytime. So that's my drill. And another product which I picked up from Nivea is going to be, I know this is not a Nivea haul, but it becomes a Nivea haul when it's winter, and Nivea products are so good. And the other thing, which is this one, I picked up these two. These are the moisturizing body milk 48 hour. This one, I have opened this one already. This one is yet sealed. But, I generally need 2 bottles in entire winter, so I picked up both because I will be using this too, like, very easily. So this was it, and I generally prefer using the pump one because I can't handle all those bottle things. I just can't. And another product which I swear by from my childhood, and ever since I can remember, I remember my mom applying this on my body. So this has always been a staple at our household. Be it winter, summer, anything you will buy, you will see like a bottle of this at our house. Just you will see, definitely see. So this is the Bartoli Classic Original Olive Oil. This is, as you can see, SSAI mark. As you can see, it's written somewhere over here. So I love using this one, and I have picked up like a 500 ml bottle and then a 200 ml bottle, like these two. This is a big one and this is a smaller one. So yeah, this two, I picked up these two again. And then another product is from Nivea, which I forgot, is my this one. This is my Nivea Original Lip Care Balm, which is this one, and I have picked up because I am going to keep this in my handbag when I'm, like, traveling. And I have had this one, which I have just completed using it. So yeah, I'm just going to keep this one. Other than from the Laneige, you guys, if you guys have been following me, I love the Laneige Berry Balm, the one, you know, small one. So yeah, I love using that one. It's very good, but this is also very good. So the last thing is going to be my Dove exfoliating body polish, which is the body scrub sort of a thingy. And this is a huge bottle jar. This is basically a 298 ml or gram jar. So as you can see, this product, this is a very new launch in the market. It recently caught my eyes. I don't know it's very new or old, but it very recently caught my eyes. So you know, it's very good if you exfoliate your skin for once or twice a week. You know, generally I never used to exfoliate my body skin, but this winter when it caught my eyes, I thought like, let me also start exfoliating my body skin once or twice a week. So I picked up this one, and I'm like very happy with this one because the granules are, you know, not very harsh, like not very chunky, which are going to, you know, scrub your skin harsh, which is a very big no-no for you. And they are not as soft and as mild as they are going to be, you know, be on your skin and just like do nothing and just wash off when you are taking the shower. So yeah, this is a very appropriate size of the particle. So recently I have started using this one. I have already used it for twice. So yeah, I'm actually loving it, and it has a very nice smell. This is basically their macadamia and rice variant. There are also 2-3 other variants which I don't remember right now, but you can obviously check it out from Nykaa or any other website. So if you want to see, this is how it looks like. I hope you can, oops. So this is what it as you can see, this is what it looks like. I don't want to drop it, so I am like, okay, like this is, if you want to see, this is how it looks like. I hope you can see from there. It's like I just don't want to tilt it because I know it's going to fall down again. So no wastage, no wastage. So I'm recently using this, and I am just loving this one, and I'm basically loving all the products which I am showing, which I have just showed you guys, because these are my holy grail and OG products. I know a lot of you guys have also used them, and you guys also love these products. So yeah, this is the end of my video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all. Happy winters.